Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sukmawati, but you can call me Sukma. I'm originally from Makassar and I live on Rajawali Street. Makassar is a city known for its delicious food, beautiful beach, and rich culture. One of the most famous dishes here is Coto Makassar. It is tasty beef soup. I'm currently studying accounting at University Muhammadiyah Makassar. I chose this major because I want to work at a bank in the future. I've always been interested in finance and numbers, so I believe this is the right part of me. Fun fact about me, even though I don't have a specific hobby, I really enjoy trying new things. Sometimes I learn interesting facts online. Also, I can never say no to good food, spicy, especially spicy food. Thanks a little about me. Nice to meet you all and see you around.